Alright, so here it is, my very first product that I'll be releasing here on YouTube. And in this video, I'll go over what it does, how much it costs to make, how much I can potentially make from this product, and overall just be transparent about what I want to do with my YouTube channel. So this is the O3 Armor, and it basically takes the armed signal that you would get from a drone's flight controller and sends it to the O3 video system that you would normally put inside of a drone. But if you wanted to put that video system on, say, an RC car and drive it around your neighborhood or through a shopping mall or something like that, you wouldn't be able to get so much range out of it. You can turn off the temperature protection setting on the O3 air unit, but it won't output its full power unless it gets that armed signal. So that's why me and a good friend of mine, Mustard Tiger FPV, more on MT in just a second, set out to make this product. So all the guys out there that want to do an RC plane or a boat or a car with the O3 video system but don't want the hassle of messing with the drone flight controller in order to get that full range, now there's something for you. Let's go over some of the features that it has that puts this product in a league of its own. Alright, so here it is, the O3 Armor. I was holding this one earlier that has some extra components I put on there because I was trying to blow it up with high voltage and I wanted it to last as long as I could. Don't worry about the way that one looks. This is how the final version will look for the most part. We'll go over first off that it has the correct connector for the O3 air unit already built on, so this is truly a plug-and-play system. Next up, we have an XT30 connector for power, and all you have to do is plug in a battery and that is it. The O3 Armor will run its code after about 20 seconds after the air unit binds to your goggles and automatically unlock the system. There's nothing else that you actually have to do. There are a couple of pins right here, if you look really close, that I do have soldered on this version that allow you to put a servo connector on your receiver and toggle the air unit on and off. You would effectively have something just like this right here, plugged into one of your channels, and then you'd plug this into the 3 pins there and then use a switch on your radio to turn the air unit on and off or into low power state. You'll notice that there is one extra connector on this board, and that is for a fan. See, if you're doing a boat or an RC car, they don't provide enough airflow on the O3 air unit to actually stay cool enough to run. It will overheat and shut down, and if you're, say, like 5 football fields away, you just lost video way out there and you gotta go find your stuff. So, you plug a fan right into here, mount it on top of the O3 air unit, and you're good to go. Now, this is actually where I have to give a huge shout out to my good friend, Mustard Tiger. MT has been a massive contributor to the FPV hobby, helping to develop code for ExpressLRS, ArduPilot, Betaflight, and of course being the creator of Forward Flight. He requested that I don't include his real name and only just his call sign because he's an absolute legend. Thank you, bro. I could not have done this without you. Okay, because I'm kind of tired of looking at my face while I talk, and you probably are too, I'm going to put up some cool stuff on the screen while I talk about money and price. So we are going to sell these for $39.99, which is less than the cost of an average flight controller. And I'm actually going to take a page out of Louis Rossman's book and provide you guys a way of doing this completely on your own. You don't have to buy my product. There's another person that developed code, and it is completely ran on Arduino hardware. It looks like it's about $25 for an Arduino board that can run this guy's code, and if you want to do that, you absolutely can. You'll save about $15 on it versus going with mine. Now, it will be lacking a lot of the features that my board has, right? No fan regulator, no automatic arming, right? You will have to wire in an arming switch on your radio, but it is still a project that is going on outside of my own, and I don't want to take anything away from it. MT developed completely custom code for our hardware, and our projects are completely separate. Now, when talking about the cost to actually bring this product to market, it can be kind of difficult because we have to think about it from a business perspective. We have to include our time for research, development, testing, and marketing, because if we didn't, we're failed from the start. The hardware costs are only about 10 or 15% of the product, but it looks like we're going to have to sell about 200 of these units just to break even on our time. After those 200 units sell though, that should be a profit for us. I'm releasing this product today for pre-order, February 9th, my birthday, because I feel like it's a really big deal in my life and for the channel, and I want to make sure I remember it. If you would like to pre-order this product, there's a link in the description for my email. Just let me know how many of them you would like and where they are shipping to, and I will reply back with a quote and where to send money. I prefer to use PayPal. I guess I can accept Venmo. Thank you guys for watching. I've actually got about 5 or 6 videos all queued up and ready to publish within the next month or so. So please make sure you get subscribed if you haven't, hit like for me, and I will see you guys in the next one.